Hi, I'm Whitfield Avidan, host today of the Mutual Minute. With us, we have Devin McCarthy from Nasdaq. Devin's been with Nasdaq for 11 years. He focuses on data analytics, and currently he's the managing director of the Nasdaq Fund Network. And today, Devin, we're talking about transparency in collectives, correct?
Yes, we are. And thanks for having me, Whitfield. Good to be here with you again.
Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, right out of the gate, Yahoo Finance, not going to find it, right? I mean, you're invested in some 401k, and the collective is the QDIA. And hey, how's it doing today? Type it in, look for it all over. It's not going to be there. What's your thoughts?
Well, I think that's definitely how it was, Whitfield. Traditionally, historically, within the CIT space, Nasdaq got into the transparency space within the collective investment trust arena about 2 years ago, and so we're working with trust companies and other asset managers to bring an additional level of transparency for plan participants, asset managers, and advisors. And so, believe it or not, you can search close to 700 different CIT share classes over Yahoo Finance and many other different vendor portals.
Oh, nice. Well, that's why we're here, to find this out. I think history is going to repeat itself. I'm sure in the early 2000s, the question you would ask an asset manager or somebody who had a mutual fund, hey, can you send me pricing on this? And they'd ask you why. And then kind of they got over that. It's like, here it is. Right. And I think, collectives, especially with the work that Nasdaq's doing in there and the work that Delta Data is doing, sharing between institutional platforms, I think, transparency could start with y'all are working on the broader scope, kind of access from anywhere. And then I think transparency also is, hey, can we get pricing every day on all the platforms? Which is shockingly, sometimes you're looking at several day old pricing. A lot of the pipes and plumbing is still a bunch of files running around.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think, to the CIT industry's credit, I think there was a lot of reluctance and hesitancy, historically, because there's a lot of, marketing, advertising rules for collectives, especially to non-qualified buyers. And so there was this hesitancy around, tickers and daily price information. Would that run afoul of any marketing or advertising concerns? And we've gotten through that. We now know that that does not run afoul of the marketing framework. And so, in just 2 years, we've been able to work with over 11 different issuers, providing that daily price level transparency to the plan participant community. So the last thing I'll say is, no longer do plan participants have to log into their record keeper platform with a username and password. It's 2021. We should be able to provide daily pricing for plan participants to have an understanding of how their investments are doing. And so I'm pleased to say that, the industry is starting to shift that way. I still think that we're going to probably need, a few more years to where you get the entire CIT space on board. But we've made a lot of progress and very, very happy with the momentum that we have to date.
Excellent. Well, I think we'll save for another day CIT fund of funds with CITs under the hood, and whether or not they're using today's pricing when they struck the NAV. We'll save that for another compliance session. But sure. Thanks for your time today, Devin.
Thanks, Whitfield. Take care.
You too. Well, that's a wrap for today, and we'll see you in another 2 weeks for another Mutual Minute.